Something massive is happening in the world of immersive video. The upcoming Insta360 X6 is signaling a monumental shift for 360-degree cameras, moving well beyond traditional action cams right into the realm of intelligent production. Regulatory certification filings and product registration tracking point directly toward an impending release window, likely strategically positioned right before the summer content creation rush. If you've been waiting to pull the trigger on a new setup, you'll want to see this. The most significant hardware upgrade centers on rumored dual 1/1.2-inch sensors. Historically, low-light environments and indoor shooting have been the ultimate Achilles heel for compact 360 cameras due to physical sensor limitations. This substantial increase in sensor real estate aims to resolve low-light grain right at the source, while simultaneously delivering richer color depth and significantly higher dynamic range. Pairing perfectly with this improved light-gathering capability is the absolute headline feature, 8K video recording at a buttery-smooth 60 frames per second. Doubling the frame rate at full 8K resolution ensures that fast-moving action sports, high-velocity travel vlogs, and rapid immersive panning shots maintain absolute fluidity. Best of all, it achieves this without sacrificing the razor-sharp reframing clarity that creators rely on heavily during post-production. To sustain these processing-heavy recording modes, the device is expected to feature a noticeably expanded battery capacity designed for prolonged field use. Where the Insta360 X6 truly departs from its predecessors is its foundational focus on deep AI integration. While previous generations forced you to rely on automated reframing and object tracking inside smartphone or desktop software after the shoot, the X6 hardware is rumored to handle complex scene recognition workflows natively and in real time. The onboard processor is designed to analyze environments as they are captured, dynamically optimizing stabilization algorithms, balancing high-contrast exposures, and isolating key subjects mid-shoot. This allows the camera to pre-render edit-ready clips and suggest optimal framing angles before the footage is even transferred to your devices. This evolution effectively transforms the camera from a passive recording tool into an automated digital assistant, minimizing the tedious timeline editing traditionally associated with 360-degree media. Financially, these massive premium hardware and computational upgrades are expected to command a slight premium over previous generations. Industry projections place the base Insta360 X6 package in the $549 to $599 price bracket. Meanwhile, a more comprehensive premium bundle, potentially featuring advanced modular accessories, specialized mounts, or extended power grips, is expected to sit closer to the $799 mark. By launching right ahead of peak travel season, this device is perfectly positioned to capture the immediate attention of adventure filmmakers, social media creators, and production houses looking for a highly portable, zero-compromise capture solution.